In Korea, I had a moment that stopped me in my tracks. I realized people will treat me the way I allow them. But then something deeper hit me. I had also been treating myself that way, pushing through, performing, always doing. Even on holiday, I planned to keep creating, blogging, posting, showing up online. But the moment I sat down to work, I felt it: pressure, disconnect, anxiety. That's when I knew I needed to stop, to pause, to give myself permission to just be. And here's what I want to share with you: starting over isn't failure, it's wisdom, it's alignment, it's courage. I'm Belinda Basson, and this is your Redefine Moment. Maybe what you need isn't to push harder. Maybe it's time to start again with your whole heart present.